How to get NSFW on Discord app using iPhone. So first thing first, let's open the Discord app, and once you open it, you will be able to see the interface shown in the screen. So now you can see there is U option at the bottom right corner of this homepage. So just tap on that profile option, and once you tap on it, you will be redirected to your profile page, where you can see there is settings at the settings option at the top right corner shown in the screen. So just tap on that settings icon, and once you tap on it, finally in search bar you need to search for NSF. And once you search NSF, you can see there is sensitive content filters at the top. So just tap on that first option, and finally you will be able to get your NSFW from here successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to get NSFW on Discord using iPhone. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.